Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. One of my favorite snacks is a Greek salad. I love it. It goes back to when I visited Greece with friends and I just enjoyed it so much. Funny story is I used to hate tomatoes, raw tomatoes, but now I love them, but usually only in my Greek salad. So I went to the pantry today and I pulled out my Greek salad seasoning mix and it was all gone. I'd like to show you how I make our Greek salad seasoning mix. Now when I'm done making it, I love putting it in one of these wonderful containers. This is just made by OXO. I don't know how they say the name, OXO, or if they just say OXO, but it's just one of these containers that has a spout and I can sprinkle on my Greek salad seasoning mix. As you can see, it's out, so let's make some more. Thanks for joining me down here. I have all of my ingredients like you've seen in my other videos. I do prefer to use organic materials. To me, they just taste better. So in this recipe, we're going to use some gray sea salt, garlic powder, basil, oregano, parsley, rosemary. I can never say this right, but marjoram, some parsley, black pepper, cinnamon, and nutmeg. We'll mix it all together and it tastes wonderful. We'll start with 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of gray sea salt. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of basil. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of oregano. 2 teaspoons of parsley. 2 teaspoons of ground rosemary. I only have crushed rosemary, so I'm going to try to grind this up with my mortar and pestle. Let's see how this goes. And I'll start grinding away. Ooh, that's a workout. Looks like it's doing pretty good right there. My forearms hurt. That's good enough for me. My suggestion, buy rosemary that's already ground. That was a pain in the butt. 2 teaspoons of marjoram. 2 teaspoons of thyme. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And of course, the most satisfying part of it all, mixing it up. Now that I have my mix, I can pour it into my favorite OXO container. I like to use a funnel so it's not messy. I'll move the camera down so you can see. So that took me about 15 minutes. This will last me a couple months. It's great. I just open it up, sprinkle some on my salad, and it's delicious. I'll try to put a few more recipes out there. My next video will feature me actually making a Greek salad and sprinkling some of this on it. If you do try it out, tell me how you like it. Put a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.